In the world of automobiles, a new era is dawning. The United States, the mecca of muscle cars, the cradle of classic vehicles, is at a crossroads. The legacy of American car brands is undeniable. For the longest time, the roar of a Ford Mustang or the purr of a Chevrolet Corvette was a symbol of American power and ingenuity. But now, the winds of change are blowing. Enter the Dragon, or rather, the Dragons. Chinese car manufacturers, having conquered their home turf, are now turning their eyes westward. They've got their sights set on the land of the free and the home of the brave, and they're not coming empty-handed. The Chinese automotive industry is a powerhouse of innovation and technology, and they're bringing all of that to the American market. Among these pioneers, three names stand out: BYD, Geely, and GAC Group. These aren't just any car companies, they're the vanguard of China's automotive revolution. They're the ones who are showing the world that when it comes to cars, China is a force to be reckoned with. They're bringing to the table what American consumers want: affordability, cutting-edge features, and luxury. But this isn't just about cars. No, it's about the future of mobility. It's about a shift in power, a change in the status quo. It's about the American dream being challenged by the Chinese dream. And it's about the world watching, waiting to see who will come out on top. And the stage is set for a clash of titans. The American auto industry, once the undisputed king of the road, now faces a formidable challenger. The question is, who will seize the wheel in this high-stakes race? Will the American eagle soar high, or will the Chinese dragon breathe fire? Hey guys, welcome to The Driving Future, the channel where we highlight the future of mobility. In the East, a giant awakens. China's automotive industry is on the move. Once a fledgling in the global market, is now a formidable player. It's no longer just about producing knockoffs of Western models. Instead, we're seeing a surge of original designs, innovative technology, and a strong commitment to sustainability. Leading the charge are companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng. These aren't just startups with big dreams. They're well-established firms that are producing electric vehicles with impressive specs, shaking up the global automotive landscape in the process. So, why does this new force pose a distinct threat to American automobile companies? Firstly, Chinese car manufacturers are making rapid strides in technological advancements. These firms have demonstrated an aptitude for innovation, taking the lead in areas like electric powertrains, driver assist systems, and smart infotainment setups. These vehicles are not just stylish and sleek, they're packed with features that rival and in some cases surpass those of their Western counterparts. Secondly, aggressive pricing strategies have turned these Chinese companies into genuine competitors. Chinese cars will in most cases be more affordable than their American counterparts without compromising on quality or features. This could make them an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Thirdly, the backing of a large domestic market gives Chinese firms a solid foundation for growth. With a population of over 1 billion people, there's an enormous potential customer base right on their doorstep. These three factors, advanced technology, competitive pricing, and a massive domestic market, could accelerate the rise of China's automotive industry. Let's take a closer look at these cars. As the world moves towards greener alternatives, China's focus on electric vehicles is a smart strategic move. It's not just good for the environment, it's also appealing to a growing number of consumers who are hungry for more affordable transport options. So, what does this all mean for American consumers? The arrival of Chinese cars on American shores may signify a paradigm shift in the automotive landscape. No longer would the American automotive industry be dominated by the traditional powerhouses. Because there's soon to be a new player in town, and it will be offering consumers more choices, more competition, and more innovation. Innovation, technology, and ambition. A potent combination that's driving China's automotive dreams. And as these dreams take shape and hit the road, the world, and yes, America too, will take note. In the face of a formidable adversary, America's auto industry gears up for a fight. Of course, this isn't the first time American automakers have faced foreign competition. From the Japanese invasion in the 70s to the Korean surge in the 90s, the American auto industry has always risen to the challenge. And now, as Chinese manufacturers make their move, the spirit of competition is once again ignited. At the forefront of this counterpunch are the titans of American auto manufacturing: Ford, General Motors, and Tesla, to name a few. They're not just sitting idle, they're innovating, strategizing, and fighting back. Let's take a glimpse into their game plans. Ford's CEO Jim Farley recently announced a massive investment in electric vehicles, a clear signal that they're ready to take on the likes of NIO and XPeng. Tesla's Elon Musk, a pioneer in the EV space, has been doubling down on his efforts, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But it's not just about EVs, it's about staying relevant in a rapidly evolving market. It's about understanding what the consumer wants and delivering it. And this is where American automakers excel. They're coupling their decades of experience with cutting-edge technology to create cars that are not only eco-friendly, but also packed with features that today's consumers crave. The challenges, however, are real. They're up against companies that are backed by a nation known for its manufacturing prowess. They're competing on price, features, and increasingly, on sustainability, a trifecta that's hard to beat. But if history is any guide, American automakers are no strangers to adversity. They've weathered economic downturns, oil crises, and paradigm shifts in consumer behavior. Each time they've emerged stronger, more resilient, and more innovative. The battle lines are drawn. The American auto industry is ready to defend its turf. This is a story of resilience, innovation, and the indomitable American spirit. It's a story of an industry that refuses to back down and is ready to take on the world. The ripple effects of this automotive showdown are far-reaching. With Chinese cars soon to be on American soil, it's not just about the vehicles, it's about the economic implications and consumer perspectives. Let's start with the economic impact. The entry of Chinese automakers into the American market could potentially upend the economic equilibrium. It's not just about car sales, it's about the jobs created, the trade balance, and the broader implications for the American economy. Chinese car manufacturers don't just bring vehicles, they bring investments, factories, and opportunities. But it's not a one-way street. There are challenges too. The increased competition could put pressure on domestic manufacturers, potentially leading to job losses or restructuring. And while the trade balance could benefit from increased exports to China, it's also possible it could tilt unfavorably if Chinese car imports significantly outpace exports. As we peer into the horizon, what does the future hold for the American auto industry? From our journey today, we've gathered that the entry of Chinese automakers into the US market would not just create a ripple, but a tidal wave, potentially transforming the landscape of the American auto industry. These Chinese players, with their innovative models and appealing prices, could find a place for themselves in the hearts and garages of American consumers. The robust growth of Chinese automotive giants like BYD, NIO, and XPeng is a testament to their global ambitions. Their focus on technological advancement and affordability might just compel American consumers to rethink their vehicle preferences. The US auto industry is not sitting idle, however. They are responding, strategizing, and innovating to stay competitive in this evolving market. The challenges are significant, but so too are the opportunities. As we navigate this thrilling and uncertain road ahead, we invite you to join the conversation. Share your thoughts, your predictions, your concerns. What do you think will be the impact of this seismic shift on the American auto industry? What would it take for you to consider a Chinese-made vehicle? The road ahead is uncertain, but one thing's for sure. The American auto industry is in for a thrilling ride. As we gear up for this exciting journey, we can't wait to see how this story unfolds. So, buckle up my friends, because the ride is about to get interesting. We hope you've enjoyed this video, found it not only informative, but also intriguing. If so, kindly tap on that like button and join our channel by subscribing. We've got a wealth of exciting content lined up, ready to take you on a deeper dive into the captivating world of mobility technologies. The future of mobility isn't just coming, it's here, and we're thrilled to be on this journey with you. So stay connected and let's explore this fascinating world together. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned.